They didn't conquer with swords, they conquered with debt. While other empires relied on soldiers and cannons, Britain built an empire with something far more powerful: money. From the 1700s to the early 1900s, finance became Britain's greatest weapon, shaping wars, colonies, and the global economy itself. It began in 1694 when the Bank of England was born, not as a vault for savings, but as a war machine. Britain needed funds to fight France, and so the government borrowed money from the public, backed by taxes. This was revolutionary. The state no longer depended on gold alone. It could create wealth from trust. By turning national debt into a national asset, Britain could wage wars longer than anyone else. Other nations ran out of silver. Britain issued bonds. Its navy was financed not by treasure, but by investors in London's booming financial markets. Each cannon fired, each ship built, paid for with paper promises. While colonies provided raw materials, the City of London became the empire's command center, where traders, bankers, and insurers turned global risk into profit. The Lloyds of London insured ships sailing to India and the Caribbean. The London Stock Exchange fueled trade companies that ruled seas. And with every deal signed, Britain's influence stretched farther than its armies ever could. Britain didn't just fight wars, it financed them. Even enemies depended on British credit and insurance. By controlling trade routes, currency, and global lending, Britain could cripple rivals without firing a shot. In truth, financial dominance became the new empire: invisible, unstoppable, and self-sustaining. When the empire's colonies faded, the money didn't. The pound sterling remained a world currency. British banks seeded Wall Street, Hong Kong, and Singapore. The empire of land collapsed, but the empire of finance still ruled. In the end, Britain didn't just build an empire on maps, it built one inside the world's money.